Hello guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I will be showing you guys a very quick tutorial on how to make the perfect ginger juice. A lot of you guys may not know, but ginger has a lot of great benefits with it. One of them is that it helps with pain reliever. It could be a headache, stomach ache, any sorts of pain that you could have. It can help with it. It helps with high blood pressure, and another great thing that it helps with, a lot of people don't know that, is that it helps with acne, and it really helps promote hair growth, etc. So all those great things is some beneficials that ginger has with it. So now I'm showing you guys, I'm blending it. I've cut my ginger in small pieces, cubes, and I'm actually adding water to it. It doesn't have to be a specific blender. I just have this small blender and I prefer to use that one. So I've done that. So I'm blending it and I'm gonna be draining it now so I can get the juice out of it. So once I do that, as you can see, I'm gonna put that aside, and then excuse me, I am gonna continue to drain it. And for some of you guys, you can use any type of sugar. It doesn't have to be a specific sugar. And if you're a diabetic, you may not even need to use any sugar at all. It tastes just as good. So yeah, I've done that. And then another thing too is that I've added a little bit of lime juice. So I will be using a little bit of lime juice to kind of add a little flavor to it. So you can do that. So yeah, once you do that, you'll be almost good to go. So yeah, I hope this video helps you and you can have a better understanding of ginger. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.